Have you ever seen a motorcycle parked outside a psychiatrist's clinic? I'm pretty sure the answer you'll have is no. Because riding a motorcycle takes away all the tensions and stress, like you have rebooted your system. Riding a motorcycle brings a sense of calm and ease to our mind and body, which could be achieved otherwise only through meditation perhaps. Also, many riders refer to their bikes as therapists, as motorcycles make us feel energized and refreshed after each ride. It is a therapy, a way of life that helps bind love for a couple riding together. It lets us have our own space while getting time to forget everything that has been bothering us. Anything that gets your blood racing is probably worth doing. For many bikers, riding a motorcycle is not just a hobby or need, it's passion. All they want in life is to travel to every corner of the world on their motorcycle. There is a deep fire within us for riding, which will make us achieve impossible miles, paths, and terrains. Bikers will not mind devoting a good amount of time and income for their motorcycles. In the hierarchy of needs, for us it's motorcycling that stays on the top. Riding a motorcycle gives us a sense of freedom. We are in total control of the moment. We are not just riding, we are flying. It might sound like a cliche, but it's true. When you're on your bike, you experience the open air, the wind brushing through your face. All the colors around is so vivid and vibrant. The sound of the motor and the vibration which you feel. The obscured view going on around you. It's an embracement of senses and acts as oxygen to your soul. We just love it. The sheer enjoyment of being on a motorcycle. For some of us, it's speed and thrill that keeps us on our motorcycles. Motorcycles are legal drugs that make you high and take you into a transcendent state of nirvana. The high of power and acceleration we get at the flick of our wrist is something that we look for and can't keep ourselves away from. The thrill of clocking high speeds on their auto after hitting the rev limiter beyond its limit on each shift is something that they're addicted to, which gives the best adrenaline rush a motorcyclist can ever ask for. Motorcycling is one thing that keeps friends together, and it will till the end of times. Everybody taking out time from their schedule and then going out for a ride is something that you will only see in the motorcycling community. The bond of friendship grows deeper when it's associated to a motorcycle. Be it a breakfast ride, a night ride, or a long road trip, they're always up for it. You will meet some of the nicest people on your rides. When you ride a motorcycle, you always wave to each other, even when you don't know each other, which is not something car drivers do. So no matter which motorcycle you're riding, nor does it matter from which part of the country you belong, there's always the bond of brotherhood that gets motorcyclists together. They're always there to help each other at any point in time. It makes you less introvert, as it's the best way to socialize and meet new people. This is why we ride.